So now I'm going to show you how a continue works. A continue is kind of like a break, but instead of Xing the loop, it just skips the remaining portion of the loop. So I got to restructure this while a little bit. Let's increment our I first. But let's put in this if I is equal to 3, then we want to continue. Now what this should do is loop like it would normally, and when I is equal to 3, this if is true, hits this continue, and it'll skip the rest of the loop, going back and continuing as you'd expect. All right, let's run this. And as you can see from the output, now that we're incrementing I before we print it, it's starting at 1 instead of 0. But what's missing here is 3. So when I was equal to 3, it hit continue, and the print was never reached. But 4 and 5 were still printed.